Hi! In this video series, I will show you the techniques needed to knit this baby sock. To knit along, you will need the written pattern, including the charts for the fox and the fur pattern. I have put a link to the pattern in the description box below. For the color work, you will need 4 different colors. A main color, 2 colors for the fox, and the rest of black for the eyes and nose. You will also need a set of DPNs in 2.5 millimeters. The pattern is available in 6 different sizes up to a foot length of 14 centimeters. The pattern is for advanced knitters who already have some experience with color work and sock knitting. First, take your main color and cast on your stitches. I will cast on 36 stitches to knit a sock in the smallest size. I am using 2 needles at once to cast on to make the cast on more elastic. After the cast on, knit a ribbing of knit 2, purl 2. Continue in knit 2, purl 2 for 8 rounds in total. After the ribbing, knit 1 round of knit stitches. Next, knit chart 1. To catch the floats, I twist the strands every few stitches. In the chart, I have marked the positions of the eyes and the nose of the fox. So you can either knit them while knitting chart 1, or you can just knit the face of the fox without the eyes and nose, and then stitch them on after you have finished the sock. That is much easier than knitting them, and it is in fact what I will be doing here as well. There are a few rounds where we will knit 3 colors in one round, which is a bit challenging. My advice is to knit slowly and pay attention to the floats. The stitches will even out a bit once the sock has been washed and blocked, but knitting 3 colors in one round takes some practice, so don't give up if your first try is not yet perfect. After chart 1, knit a few more rounds in your main color. I will knit 2 rounds for the smallest size. Set a marker to mark the beginning of the round. In the next video, I will show you how to knit the heel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.